to keep its flock together. A moment back, I was speaking to Sanjay Singh, a spokesperson of the JDU.
बिहार के प्रत्येक जीवन के क्षेत्र में विकास और बिहार को ऊंचाइयों पर ले जाना है। जो कृषि का क्षेत्र हो, चाहे स्किल का क्षेत्र हो या इंडस्ट्रीज हो, हर क्षेत्र में बिहार देश के किसी राज्य से पीछे न रहे, यही एक लक्ष्य लेकर हम लोग काम करेंगे।
सर, जो एक अराजकता की माहौल टाइप का हो गया था कुछ दिनों से, अराजकता की माहौल टाइप का हो गया था, क्या वो बदल जाएगा?
देखिए, पहले की तुलना में निश्चित आपको बदलाव दिखाई पड़ेगा। और जो एनडीए की सरकार का जो शुरू का 7.5 साल था, उस समय जिस तरह का विकास और काम हुआ है, उसी प्रकार का विकास और काम इस बच्चे में 40 महीनों में बिहार के अंदर दिखाई पड़ेगा।
नीतीश जी ने कहा कि आरजेडी के साथ उनका फिर से चुनिंग नहीं बैठ पा रहा था। क्या बीजेपी के साथ आप लोग इतने दिनों तक सरकार में रहे, क्या कोई दिक्कत आएगी या फिर बहुत अच्छे तरीके से सरकार आप चलाएंगे?
पहले भी कोई दिक्कत नहीं आई थी और आगे भी कोई दिक्कत नहीं आई।
अब दोनों जगह आपकी सरकार है, तो कैसा विकास रहेगा दोनों जगह की सरकार?
पहली बार बिहार के अंदर केंद्र राज्य दोनों जगह एक ही गठबंधन की सरकार है और निश्चित रूप से इसका लाभ मिलेगा और बिहार और तेजी से आगे बढ़ेगा।
Reactions from Sushil, and they're saying that Bihar will progress very fast under this new alliance. They also said that this is the alliance that has worked for Bihar in the past, and the central government and the state government will be on the same page. And we heard Nitish Kumar speaking to the press. We've got Deepthi also joining us. Deepthi, yes, they may be on the same page, but Nitish Kumar, being the wily politician that he is, also has his own ambitions.
You know, Parikshit, there's another very important thing. When you have a Rahul Gandhi today actually coming out and hitting Nitish Kumar, why? Because he's calling him an opportunistic politician. But the point is, look at what Rahul Gandhi himself did. If he just quote and go by his own words when he says that मुझे पता था 4 से 5 महीने पहले से कि इस तरह की हालत हो रही है. So what did Rahul Gandhi do? Why was the Congress in a slumber? Why did they not wake up? Why did they not reach out to Nitish Kumar? Why did they not broker peace? Why did they not tell Nitish Kumar that let's work out, some way where we can save the Mahagathbandhan? Doesn't this show Rahul Gandhi's own intent? Today it's fair that, you come out and hit out at Nitish Kumar. Why? Because he's left the Mahagathbandhan. Why? Because he believes that he can't stand with a corrupt deputy chief minister, someone against whom there is an FIR. But why shouldn't the owners, why shouldn't the question also go towards Rahul Gandhi? And why shouldn't the Congress party also be questioned? Because a lot of Congress leaders here, Parikshit, that we've spoken to, also some ex-mantris now say that शायद देर हो गई. अगर समय पर हम इस बात को संभाल लेते, they said महागठबंधन बच सकता था. Because yes, let's not forget this is politics. The BJP is playing politics. The Congress should also be playing politics. Correct. The JDU and RJD are also here for politics. These are all political parties. The idea essentially is to survive. The idea is to get the numbers, get a government going. So where was Rahul Gandhi's own political acumen? Because let's not forget what happened in Goa, where you had seen the name of a senior Congress leader and then the General Secretary Digvijay Singh also cropping up. So is this a redux again of the Congress's own game plan that goes wrong almost every time?